Hello everyone, welcome. Today, I'll show you how to cancel a Google Drive storage subscription. Step 1. Access Google Drive settings. 2. Click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Step 2. Cancel membership. 1. In the open window, click on Cancel Membership. 2. Click Cancel at the bottom. Step 3. Manage subscription. 1. Click on Manage. 2. Select Cancel subscription. Step 4. Confirm cancellation. 1. Choose Decline to answer. 2. Click Continue. 3. Click Cancel subscription. 4. Click OK. That's it. The cancellation process is now complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.